This is Chuck Saunders with Saunders Archery. Today I'd like to introduce you to our Sure-Lock face pin. It has several advantages over the metal type of face pins. You don't have to worry about rust. You don't have to worry about stepping on a rusty piece of metal on the ground. They don't weather, and they are extremely durable because they are polycarbonate. The main feature of the Sure-Lock face pin is the serrations, and the serrations are 180 degrees out from each other. What happens is that when you press the pin into the target, you rotate it 90 degrees, and that locks the serration into the section that hasn't been pressed in by it before. So it locks the pin in, and it makes it almost impossible to pull the pin out. So you don't get the pins migrating their way out with several shots. They're great pins. They're used in a lot of ranges. They'll work on any type of target. I hope you give them a try. This is Chuck Saunders with Saunders Archery. Shoot well, shoot safe, and shoot honorably.